This is Kit Eaton for the New York Times. Our smartphones are pretty amazing things, but they're also data hogs, and this can end up costing you. But luckily there are apps like DataMan Next that can help you monitor how much mobile data you're using, and thus hopefully prevent you from going over your monthly allowance and costing extra money. DataMan Next, which is a $2 iOS app, is actually my favourite of this type of app. I'm a fan because of its extremely plain design, which keeps things simple and tells you all the information you need to know on the app's home screen. After setting up the app for the first time, entering data such as when your monthly bill is due and how much mobile data you're allowed, the app keeps track of how much mobile data you've used and displays a large percentage figure in the middle of its screen. It also shows a text alert at the top of the screen, and if this says safe, accompanied by a big check mark, it means the app has estimated you won't go over your monthly allowance. The screen even changes colour, so you can tell at a glance how much mobile data you've used. A great alternative to this app, which is also available on Android in this case, is called My Data Manager. While this app has the same sort of clean minimalist design as DataMan Next, it may actually suit more detail-obsessed users because it actually shows more information about how much data you're using. For example, it even shows you on a map where you're consuming the most mobile data, which could help you adjust how you consume mobile data if you have a habit of going over the top. This app's sometimes a little fiddly to use, but at least it's free on both iOS and Android. A slightly more traditionally designed app that does the same task is called Data Usage, which is also available for iOS and Android. It has some neat tricks, such as being able to track data on shared accounts, and on the whole it relies on simple text-based information and simple visualizations to help keep you inside your monthly data allowance. Data Usage is free on Android devices, but costs $1 on iOS. And that's it from me this week. Hopefully these apps will help you from having a shock the next time you get a phone bill.